I'm so excited that you have hot in your hands the 10 best ChatGPT commands for authors checklist. We are so excited that you are taking steps to embrace this new software and look at ways and how to achieve some great results when you're writing your book. So it's definitely that time to share your message. In today's presentation, I'll be taking you through how to apply ChatGPT to your book writing process. We are looking forward to helping you speed up the writing process and get some clarity and confidence to finish your book and become published on Amazon. We help our clients to establish themselves as experts, build their brand, and really use their voice and share their message powerfully. If you're new to using ChatGPT, here's 3 quick hacks for you. Did you know you could change the tone of your text by asking ChatGPT to write promotional, funny, soulful, less formal? It's really easy for you to change the style of writing. So when you do command it to type something and you see this tone is not correct, all you need to do in the next line is to type the next step, and that is less formal. And you might be surprised by the result. Secondly, you can ask it to change the perspective from first person to second person, third person. So it's a great way for you to speak about your bio or share a testimonial of a client in a different perspective. You can also grab transcripts and create lists and bullet points from your own content. And this is how I would recommend you to use the software is to start with your content and have ChatGPT be your assistant to help you repurpose, align, perfect the content that you have. So here's a checklist we've put together. We've got 10 ChatGPT commands that you can use to help you write your book. These are the commands that we've been using, helping our clients create their first book draft. And playing around with the software has been incredible to see how quickly we can get things done. The first easy tick thing that you can achieve is your bio. So you can request for ChatGPT to write your author bio, paste in what you have, and ask it to write it in a certain tone. For example, if you're writing a book that is funny, then you'd want your bio to be funny. It would look a bit strange for you to have a very professionally written bio and then your whole book is very different tone. You can work your way through this checklist. You can look at how to write a book summary. You can ask ChatGPT once you have an outline of your book or topics or even a course that you are repurposing into a book. You can paste the course topics into ChatGPT and ask it to create book titles, book chapter titles. It's great for just helping you be a bit more creative with your writing. You can also ask it to find information, find, sort of more in-depth information about a topic. When you are looking for it to find your information, it's also important that if you are to use that in the book, that you appropriately reference any other person's work. Limiting beliefs is a great use that we use the software where we start with, say, money limiting beliefs for female entrepreneur coaches writing a book. And so we get very niche, very specific, very quickly. We ask it to create beliefs based on certain key focuses. When you give it more information, you're more likely to get back better information that you can then tailor and tune up. You can use it to write your book title. It's a great way for you to get ideas on what could be your book title. You could paste your book summary and ask it to create a title for you. It is great at creating bullet points. For example, when you are have long pieces of information, maybe even your full chapter, and you would like a quick summary at the end, you can ask ChatGPT to transform transfer your content into a bullet point list. Another way is if you have bullet points, you can ask it to write a chapter. So you can, again, maybe take a social media post that is very short and turn that into a chapter style. This is how we love to support our clients to repurpose their content. We also make sure that you have your word bank, which is your statements, your avatar, your words that you use, your signature words that the software can use so it can infuse that into your work. This is how we make sure all our books sound authentically like our clients. Our clients learn how to use the software appropriately. And look, it is honestly you will have an idea of what you're expecting it to get out. And if it doesn't produce what you want or the level you want, you just need to keep changing the tone, going with more detail, giving it more information to get the outcome you want. All right. Another way is for you to also paste a chapter and ask it to create tips. Maybe in your chapter, you spoke about lots of different ways to improve mindset around money, and you can ask it to create some tips. So you can drag that information out, format it into a tip post, and then you can go in and sort of overlay your own personal changes. Also, number 10, writing a case study. So this is a great way for you to paste your client testimonials in there. I like to add in notes that might not be covered in a client testimonial. For example, how were they feeling before they started working with us? Were they in overwhelm? Where were they in their business? What was right there for them? And then in working with us, in how many months, what did they implement and what did they achieve? And then we love covering the steps along the way, right? So I don't like to see testimonials just focusing on number of clients and dollar amount. I love to show the full transformation. And this is why in the case study, you've got more opportunity to share the full journey and allow someone reading the book to see themselves in that journey. I always recommend that you infuse case studies, even if it is, you changing names or slightly adjusting the facts so that you've got a book that can resonate with different people and it's practical. So once you've completed your checklist, now is time to look at how you rated. If you answered yes, then on 1 to 3, that means you have completed and were able to complete 1 to 3 of these checklists. Then you're a beginner. You've started, you've got some basic understanding, but really we would love to support you to really understand how you can better use ChatGPT to publish your book. There might be elements of clarity around your business, not having testimonials, maybe even your content. You might not have content currently to repurpose. So would definitely encourage you, if you're at the stage you really want to write a book and you just need some crystal clear clarity, then book a call with us. If you answered 4 to 6, then this is your next step to focus on your strategy and lead gen. You've probably covered some of the easy areas of content, and now it's time to really nail your systems and strategy and focus on your book as being an amazing strategy to get your lead engine dialed. We help our clients play bigger and use their book to build authority. A book is an incredible asset to help you build credibility, authority, and create more sales in your business. If you have rated 4 to 6, we would love to hear from you. We'd love to give you the step-by-step process so you can go from concept and be able to monetize all your knowledge into a book and have a clear offer at the end so that you can monetize your business. What we focus on is not the book sales itself. The book is your lead engine. If you've answered 7 to 9, you are absolutely ready to get on and get that book done. We are looking forward to helping you with some of the mindset blocks that might be coming up, really tuning up your message and helping you publish powerfully. It's time. You have a lot of beautiful content ready to go, and we'd love to help you accomplish your goals. The most important thing we find for our books is to make sure that you are attracting your dream clients. What we support our clients in is reviewing their book drafts and really supporting them in tuning up their messaging, making sure they are on point and they have a powerful offer to leverage so that they can scale their business. So if you're ready to go from your first book draft to publish, market, and sell, and really be clear on the Done With You program, then we would love to talk to you about all the ways we support our clients and coach them to market their book and sell their offers. These are some of our beautiful clients who have worked through our programs. Alongside writing a book, they have leveraged their business and scaled and created income. Next step, if you've loved filling out this questionnaire and have assessed yourself and you really sort of started to play with ChatGPT and also know there's more to the picture, would love you to jump on a 20-minute scale session with us. And we will give you a fresh perspective and really help you unlock the next steps. We hope you had an amazing experience going through your ChatGPT checklist. You've learned some new prompts you can use and also created some more awareness of where you are in the picture. We're always here, just a phone call away, to support you on your journey and help you with the roadmap to become published and to scale your business.